Hello everybody, welcome back to another video, and today we're talking about part 2 on how to solve the 4x4, the beginner's method. So after you have solved these two answers, remember the order from bottom to top while having the white center on the left hand side is orange, green, red, and blue. So first we can pair up the orange centers like this, and then you can find the last one and then pair it up like so. Move it like as the joint piece, and then you can move it up, switch it, and down. Next we have green, so most of it is paired up, so we just need to move this down and then move it over up. So now we have this weird shape for these two. So here we want to move one piece up to join the blue piece. So how do we do that? Well, to join the blue piece, we need a blue piece here. So the only way to do that on this face is like this. So we can move it up, and then we can move the red piece over, and then move it down. So now we have this. And then now to solve, so remember, here we need red. Here's right, here we need red. So now we will move the red up, the blue up, and then we will rotate, do a U2, and then move the red down. So now you have all the centers solved. If you have any questions, please post your question in the comment section. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the third video. Bye.